Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a pulses dal making business factory and more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a pulses business. When starting a pulses dal making business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 1500 kg of dal per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, begin with a 15 kg per day capacity for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 4000 kg per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 3000 kg per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully using the 3000 kg per day capacity, then consider upgrading to 4000 kg per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a pulses dal making business with a factory capacity of 1500 kg per hour, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing dal, you will need a pulses cleaning machine. This machine is used to clean pulses by removing impurities like stones, dust, and other foreign materials. It typically includes processes like destoning, cleaning, and grading with a capacity of 1 to 5 tons per hour, which sold cost around 125,000 rupees. Then you will need a pulse husking machine. It is used to remove the outer husk or skin from pulses, leaving the edible part intact. They can handle various pulses like lentils, chickpeas, etc., ideally with a capacity of 50-3000 kgs per hour, which should cost around 165,000 rupees. You should also have a splitting machine. It is used to split pulses into 2 cotyledons, such as would split chickpeas or peas, without breaking or damaging the pulses, costing about 250,000 rupees. You should have a pulse polishing machine. It is used to give pulses a glossy appearance by removing the outer layer, resulting in improved appearance and texture. The capacity costing around 50,000 rupees. Then pulses grading machine. Grading machines sort pulses based on size, shape, and weight, ensuring uniformity in the final product. This capacity is 2 tons per hour, costing around 125,000 rupees. Pulses packaging is used to automate the process of filling and sealing pulses, costing about 110,000 rupees. You will also require a weighing machine for weighing ingredients and the final product. A weighing machine for weighing up to 50 kg will cost around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. These machines are used to make all kinds of pulses dal. Example: black gram, red gram, green gram, Bengal gram, cowpea. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.